Is Shopify even good in 2024? That's the question asked by tens of thousands lately, and we're here to put our unbiased 2 cents on this. Shopify Review. In this video, do join us on the journey to discover everything Shopify, along with a verdict of ours at the end to see if Shopify still remains the king of e-commerce 2024. Robert from PageFly here. Don't forget to drop a like, a comment, and a subscription to our Ecom Learning with PageFly channel for more Shopify goodness.
In today's video, we're going to cover everything about Shopify. We'll start with a quick overview of what Shopify is, then dive into how to set up your own Shopify store. We'll also look at the different pricing plans Shopify offers, explore the theme and design flexibility you get with Shopify, discuss the marketing and SEO tools available, highlight some useful Shopify apps, and finally, talk about the customer support system Shopify provides, including some Shopify pros and cons at the end. So stay tuned as we dive into each of these topics to help you get your online store up and running.
What is Shopify? We know most of you are familiar with it already, but let's get each and everyone on the same page. At its most basic level that everyone can deduce, Shopify is an online store builder. A website builder, if you will. But according to Shopify themselves, quote unquote, Shopify is a complete commerce platform that lets everyone start, grow, manage, and scale a business. Shopify is one powerful software allowing businesses to manage everything of their every store, be it online or brick and mortar, right from their Shopify admin. Crazy, right? Shopify was launched in 2006, but the idea of it rooted way back in 2004 when Tobias Lutke, Daniel Weinen, and Scott Lake took to the internet to begin selling snowboarding equipment by opening a store called Snowdevil. Snowdevil hosting platform was the creation of Lutke, as e-commerce platforms back then didn't meet his satisfaction, and such platform is now known as Shopify today. And now Shopify has become huge, a global sensation, especially among aspiring merchants who seek digitalization for their business as a way to scale. In 2023, Shopify has got 9,200 direct employees and an employment ecosystem of 700,000 Shopify partners. Along with an estimation of nearly 5 million websites currently powered by Shopify and 3,600,000 jobs created, it's no secret that Shopify has made a worldwide impact. As the game goes on, there are other e-commerce platforms in the race as well, but Shopify will still remain one of the OGs. Setting up a Shopify store is surprisingly quick and straightforward. Begin by registering on Shopify's website and creating your store's name and other essential info. Once inside, you're met with an intuitive dashboard. Adding products is simple. Click Products, then Add Products, and fill in details like title, description, price, and images. Organizing these into collections help customers easily navigate your store. The visual appeal of your store is vital. Shopify offers various themes under Online Store and Themes, allowing for customization to reflect your brand. Previewing your store is just a click away, showcasing a professional-looking online store set up in minutes. This efficiency and user-friendliness makes Shopify an excellent choice for everyone stepping into e-commerce, streamlining the setup process and focusing more on business development. These are just quick steps to get you going on Shopify. If you really wish to dive deeper into the tutorial, we've had a handy video for you, link on the info card top right. Voila! Your Shopify store just got set up in a snap. I personally think there could be no procedure faster than this. Aiming at merchants of all levels, Shopify really makes sure that even the newest of the new can get familiar with the platform quickly, making way for even more potential Shopify partners. Shopify offers a range of pricing plans tailored to different business needs. Let's dive into these options and see which one fits your business best. Firstly, there's a basic Shopify plan priced from only $19 per month. This plan is ideal for those just starting out or with a small inventory. It includes all the essentials like 2-step account, an online store, and sales channels. You'll also get 24/7 support, fraud analysis, and the ability to create discount codes. Next up, the Shopify plan from only $49 per month is perfect for growing business. This plan offers everything in basic, plus 5-step account, professional reports, and lower transaction fees. It's great for businesses that are scaling up and need more features to manage their increasing sales and customers. For larger businesses, there's the Advanced Shopify plans at $299 per month. This includes all features from the previous plans plus 15 step accounts, an advanced report builder, and third-party calculated shipping rates. It's ideal for businesses with a large inventory and high volume of sales. Finally, for enterprise-level businesses, Shopify Plus starts at around $2,000 per month. It offers advanced features like unlimited step account, higher priority customer support, and customization options. Choosing the right plan depends on your business size, sales volume, and specific needs. It's always good to start with a plan that fits your current situation and scale up as your business grows. We recommend going on trial for just $1 a month for the first 3 months, and then go to basic and then standard. From there, depending on your business plan to upscale, it's up to you to decide next. If you want to try out trial for just $1 for the first month, click our link in the description below and get the offer. Shopify's platform is renowned for its wide variety of themes catering to different aesthetics and industries. These themes are not only plentiful, but also boast high quality in design and functionality. From sleek minimalist template to more vibrant, feature-rich design, there's something for every brand personality. I mean, just take a look at this abundance of themes on Shopify Theme Store here. In our opinion, the diversity and qualities of Shopify's themes are impressive. They allow businesses to create a unique online presence without needing extended design skills. Let's take a popular paid theme as an example. Here you can modify everything from the color scheme and fonts to the layout of different pages. Features like drag and drop section, customizable product pages, and integrated SEO tools makes it incredibly user-friendly. The ability to add custom CSS and HTML is a bonus for those with coding knowledge. My take on Shopify's design flexibility is highly positive. The theme editor is intuitive yet powerful, allowing store owners to personalize their site extensively without overwhelming them. Whether you're a novice in web design or have some experience, Shopify provides the tools to create a professional and unique online store. This level of customization ensures that businesses of all sizes can reflect the brand accurately and appealingly. Shopify's platform is equipped with robust marketing and SEO tools, crucial for driving traffic and sales to your store. Let's explore some of these functionalities and assess how they contribute to setting up a complete marketing campaign. In the Marketing tab, Shopify offers a suite of tools to create and manage marketing activities. You can easily set up email marketing campaigns, create automated workflows, and even integrate with social media platforms for broader outreach. The Discount tab allows for the creation of various discount codes and promotions, a vital aspect of attracting and retaining customers. For SEO, Shopify simplifies the process. Whether it's editing product details or crafting blog posts, you can easily optimize for search engines. This includes adding meta titles, meta description, and customizing URLs. These are fundamental in improving your store visibility in search engine results. Setting up a complete marketing campaign on Shopify is remarkably straightforward. The platform's user-friendly interface and integrated tools make it accessible even for those with limited marketing or SEO experience. So all in all, Shopify's got you covered most of it. Some popular external marketing assets like Facebook Ads, Google Ads still require you to be in the know of them, but Shopify's built-in marketing tools should be a great start. Shopify's App Store is a treasure trove of applications designed to enhance and customize your online store. let's highlight 3 popular and trusted apps to understand the extent of Shopify's customization capabilities. There's Klaviyo, an email marketing app that's extremely popular amongst Shopify store owners. Klaviyo offers powerful segmentation and automation features, making it easier to target customers with personalized email campaigns. Its high rating and widespread use are testament to its effectiveness in boosting sales through email marketing. And then Yotpo, an app focused on reviews and user-generated content, or UGC. It's crucial for building trust and enhancing social proof. It enables easy gathering and display of customer reviews, photos, and Q&As on your site, enhancing credibility. How can we not mention it? PageFly is one powerful Shopify page builder app that lets you create stunning and conversion rate-oriented pages that promise both sales boosts and customers' satisfaction. Give PageFly and all the other apps a try once you go to Shopify App Store. And if you're having a hard time finding just the right apps for your needs, Shopify breaks their app down into 6 main categories. If you're doing drop shipping, go for finding products. Shopify's customer support system is another crucial aspect of its platform, especially for newcomers venturing into e-commerce. The Help Center and Shopify community are primary sources of support and guidance. The Help Center is comprehensive, with a vast array of articles, guides, and tutorials. For someone new to Shopify, this is a goldmine of information. The articles are well written and cover a wide range of topics from setup to advanced customizations. However, while the content is rich, navigating through the plethora of information can sometimes feel overwhelming for beginners. Live chat support is one of the highlights of Shopify's customer assistant. The response time is generally quick, and the support staff are knowledgeable and helpful. This immediate assistance is invaluable for urgent issues or quick questions, particularly for those just starting out and needing quick, reliable guidance. The Shopify community is another strong point. It's a vibrant forum where users can exchange ideas, solve common problems, and offer peer-to-peer advice. This resource is incredibly useful, but it's worth noting that the quality of advice can vary since it's user-generated. Overall, Shopify's customer support is robust and well-suited to assist a range of users from beginners to more advanced store owners. While there is room for improvement in navigating the Help Center and the variable nature of community advice, the overall support infrastructure is a strong point of the platform. Do you like our video so far? Feel free to share with us your thoughts on this video in the comment section below. Alright, what you've all been waiting for, our take on Shopify's pros and cons. Now pros, user-friendly interface. Shopify's dashboard is intuitive, making it easy for even beginners to navigate and manage your online store. This ease of use is a significant advantage for new entrepreneurs who aren't tech-savvy. Strong customer support. With a comprehensive help center, live chat support, and an active community forum, Shopify excels in providing timely and helpful support to its users. Next, there's diverse payment options. Shopify supports a wide range of payment gateways, including its own Shopify Payments, which offers a seamless checkout experience. Fourth, extensive app marketplace. The Shopify App Store is filled with thousands of apps, allowing users to extend the functionality of their stores in various ways, from marketing to inventory management. And finally, SEO and marketing tools. Shopify includes built-in SEO features and marketing tools, making it easier for store owners to attract customers and increase sales. Now cons. Pricing. Shopify's pricing can be a hurdle, especially for small business or startups. The monthly fees, coupled with additional costs for certain apps and themes, can add up. Next, content management limitations. While Shopify is excellent for e-commerce, its capability as a content management system are limited compared to platforms. Third, customization constraints with Liquid. Shopify uses its own coding language, Liquid, for customization. This can be a barrier for those not familiar with it, and can limit customization options unless you hire a developer. Next, transaction fees. If you don't use Shopify payments, transaction fees on other payment gateways can be an additional expense. And finally, limited B2B functionality. Shopify is primarily geared toward B2C businesses, and those looking for advanced B2B features might find the platform lacking in this regard. Shopify's strengths lie in its user-friendliness, robust support, and extended app marketplace, making it an excellent choice for small to medium-sized businesses. However, the cost, customization limitations, and the focus on B2C may not suit every business, particularly those looking for advanced B2B features or extensive content management. Now, the million-dollar question: is Shopify still a worthy investment for every merchant in 2024? The answer from us is yes. Shopify still deserves as a top spot and a top contender when it comes to e-commerce. But maybe in the future, we might just see a more advanced platform, probably AI-powered, AI-run, who knows? Time will tell. For now, if you wish to embark on your business career further, digitally, Shopify is a go-to. We have just reviewed Shopify. Hopefully, this choice for e-commerce platform is under your consideration now. Shopify is promising and powerful, even in 2024. So if you want to travel further in your business journey, give Shopify a try. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can bring more quality content for our viewers. Until next time.